Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Hut. Today we are going to discuss the chapter 8th of class 10th, How do organisms reproduce? Before starting the chapter, we will discuss the little things about like reproduction. Reproduction is the process in which production of new organisms from the existing organism of same species takes place. The process of reproduction ensures the continuity of the life on Earth, and reproduction gave rise to the more organisms with the same characteristics as their parents. Types of reproduction. There are main two types of reproduction in living organisms. First is sexual reproduction and the second one is asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which both the parents are involved in the production of new individual. In asexual reproduction, only single parent is involved for the production of new individual. Methods of asexual reproduction. It takes place in six methods. First is fission, second is budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, and the last one is vegetative propagation. First is fission. Fission is a process in which unicellular organisms split to form two or more new organisms. It is known as fission. Fission is also of two types, binary fission and the multiple fission. In binary fission, the parent organisms split to form new organism. For example, binary fission takes place in amoeba, paramecium, leishmania and bacteria. Leishmania is a bacteria which cause kala azar. In amoeba, the splitting of cells takes into two or equal halves in any plane, but in case of leishmania, the splitting of parent cells during cell division takes place in definite orientation. Of this diagram, the process of binary fission is clear to you guys. Here you can see the parent amoeba in which the nucleus divide and form the two daughter nuclei, and this process is known as binary fission. Multiple fission. Multiple fission, in this process, the parent organism split to form many new organisms at same time. The example of multiple fission is Plasmodium vivax. You can see the parent cell of Plasmodium vivax divide and form a number of daughter cells, and this process is known as multiple fission. Budding. Budding is the process a small part of the body parent organism grow out as a bud which then detach and become a new organism. This process is known as budding. An example is budding in hydra. And here you can see the parent hydra grows in kind of a bud, and this bud disattached to the body after a certain time and mature itself. This process is known as budding in hydra. Next one is spore formation. In spore formation, the parent cell produces 100 or 1000 of microscopic reproductive units, which is known as spores, within the spore case. And when the spore case bursts, these spores spread into the air, and these spores germinate during favorable condition and produce new plants. This process is known as spore formation, and the process of spore formation takes place in rhizopus. See the example of spore formation in rhizopus. Here is the sporogonia. It produces spores, and on the favorable condition, the sporogonium get burst and the spores are liberated into the air, and spore formation takes place. The fourth one is regeneration. The process of getting a full organism from its body parts is known as regeneration. Example is planaria. In the diagram, you can see there is an organism, planaria, which is divided. The one part of the body is divided, and the whole body is regenerated from this part, and this process is known as regeneration. Fifth one is fragmentation, the breaking of body of simple multicellular organism into two or more fragments, each of which subsequently grows to form complete organism, is known as fragmentation. For example, Spirogyra. In this diagram, you can see the Spirogyra divided into the small fragments, and these fragments grows individually, and this process is known as fragmentation. Vegetative propagation. It is the sixth method of asexual reproduction. In vegetative propagation, new plants are obtained from the parts of old plants without the help of any reproductive or organ plant, and can be reproduced by vegetative propagation by using leaves or koi bhi any other part is known as vegetative propagation. An example is bryophyllum and begonia. Bryophyllum is obtained from leaves of the plant. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.